Hi, my name is Vamsi, and I want to take up the course on Andhra Pradesh history. W- First of all, why I want to take up this course because due to the very lack of material, English material in the market, there is a very less material which is apt material, and also the Telugu medium textbooks also there are so many sources, so we have to grasp all of them. It will be very difficult. It may take more than a year to grasp all this from the sources. So what I'm going to do in this course means I'm going to collect all the sources, and I'm going to present my whole course in English medium. Okay. Today we'll just look up what are the basic introduction to AP history. Okay. Now this is the syllabus for the group 2 examinations. Okay, they will be given the 5 chapters. We'll discuss slowly one by one chapter, and we'll discuss how, in what methodology we'll discuss these all these units. And what about the sources? The main sources for this Andhra Pradesh history or these books, which are mainly in Telugu medium. And then first one is Andhra Charitra by BSL Hanumantrao, and second one is Andhra Pradesh Samagra Charitra by PVK Prasad, and third one is Andhra Charitra by Telugu Academy, and then Modern Andhra Pradesh by P.R. Rao. Okay, these are the books that are available in the market in order to study the Andhra Pradesh history. And then now coming to the our study. Okay, how to study AP history? Okay, when you go to the institute, or when someone tells you, they'll try to mug up with you so many names, and you will find it very hard to remember all these names. And one day you try to give up this learning this also because of this so many names. For everything there will be a way. If you approach in the right way, it will be very easy to remember all these terms. And then here we can learn it by using the visual imaging. With the help of maps and places, we can learn it easily. And then by following an order. Okay, by following I will tell you the order how you have to remember all these things. By following that order, it will be very easy to remember them also. And then third thing is by knowing the stories of different kingdoms, and what are the different important stories, we can find it easy to learn the AP history. And fourth one is by following the test. Okay, by following the regular test after every chapter, you will find it easy to learn the AP history. And then fifth topic is the current affairs. We have to follow the current affairs regarding the history also. There will be some of news items coming. Some of the excavations will be happening, during the construction of Polvaram project. Some of the excavations have happened. So like this, we find it we can find it very easy to move on with learn with the history. Okay, everyone will find it how it will be how to follow the current affairs regarding the history. Okay, I'm giving you some of the examples where recently, before 3 to 4 months back. Okay, these are the articles that came in the newspapers. And first article is regarding the Chennapatnam fort, where they are excavating in the for the treasure hunt, and they have taken the permission of permission of government also. And then next one is burial site in Prakasham district. And then next one is also a labyrinth diagram, okay, which is found in East Godavari district. And these are some of the tools which are excavated in West Godavari. This is about megalithic sites. Okay, now how the history is divided. Okay, history is divided mainly into two types. Okay, one is prehistoric age, where there is no literary sources. Okay, and then when the literary sources are available, it is called as historic age. Okay, in prehistoric age, there will be no sources will be available. We'll came to know about this prehistoric age only by uh, only from the tools we find out from that age. Okay, and then before that, so many thought that there will be no prehistoric age in the South India. But by the Bruce Food, who found some of the tools at Pallavaram, Madras in 1892, confirmed the sources of presence of prehistoric age in South India also. Now come to the prehistoric age. Prehistoric age again divided into these types like Stone Age and Chalcolithic Age and Iron Age. In Stone Age is again divided into two types: Old Stone Age and New Stone Age. And in Chalcolithic Age we use the copper main metal, and in Iron Age we use the iron. Okay, come to the historic age. And historic age, how we identify the historic age is by these known sources, literary sources, inscriptions, by coins, by architectures. Okay, in literary sources also there are two types of the books, or the some of them are religious books and some of them as non-religious books, and we all discuss all these types when you're discussing about the historic age kingdoms. Now we'll discuss in this lecture we discuss more about the prehistoric age. Okay, now come to the old stone age. Okay, in this old stone age. We come to the know about this whole stage by this place. This is called as Billusargam. Billusargam. It is present in near Bedamshalla in Kannur district. Okay, it is 5 kilometers from it. And then also one more place is Nandi Kanuma in Giddalur. Okay, these are the two places which has a reference where we find the tools of old stone age. Okay, I have given here the link also to see the place. Okay, these are the pictures of a Billusargam. Okay, these are the Billusargam. These are Billusargam caves. Okay. Now look at the old stone age. In this old new stone age, 40 types of tools are used in this use, and man changed from food consumer to the food producer. Okay, now these are the important things about the old stone age. And now look at the Chalcolithic age. In Chalcolithic age, only two places where we find the copper vessels and copper tools. Copper vessel is found at Kannulu, Patapadu, and then copper tools are present at the Krishna district, Kesarapalli. Okay, these are the two places. One is Patapadu in Kannur district, another one is Kesarapalli in Krishna district. Okay, now come to the Iron Age. In Iron Age, the most important things are the tombs. We'll find different types of tombs in Iron Age. Okay, some of the different tool types they are called as Rakshasa Gullu. Okay, now here we discuss a little bit of them, little bit about them. First type is dolmens. Dolmens or the tombs. They are the coffin boxes are made up of stone. Okay, okay, I'll make it. This the second pic here is the second pic. This is made up of stone. Okay, and then sits sits means these are the dolomens which are inserted in the earth. Okay, they place the that coffin box made up of stone in the earth and they cover it with mud. Okay, these are the second type of tombs. And then third type of tombs are menhir is a type of tomb where stone pillar is placed on the tomb. Okay, and then fourth type of tomb is sarcophagus. Sarcophagus, in this the tomb boxes or coffin boxes are made up of mud. Okay, and then where are these tombs are present means two examples are Karnul Shankavaram. There we find the tomb of made up of mud, and it is a sheep-like tomb. Okay, its structure is sheep. Okay, and other one is Nalgonda district. Nalgonda, we found Ileshwaram. At a place called Ileshwaram, we found elephant like tomb. Now, presently, Nalgonda is in Telangana district. Okay, these are the elephant tomb also made up of mud. Okay, these are the two types of sarcophagus tombs that are discovered. Okay, this is about menhir, where where a stone pillar is placed on the tomb. Now, in the historic age, we'll discuss about Satavahanas, Ikshvakus, and the Eastern Chalukyas. In the first chapter, all the syllabus belong to the first chapter where we discuss about the Satavahanas and the Ikshvakus and the Eastern Chalukyas. And then how we discuss about each chapter, there must be a methodology to discuss about each chapter. Then only we'll remember much more about it. Okay, these are the 10 points we'll discuss about every chapter. In every chapter, we'll discuss about these 10 subheadings. Okay, first one is the sources. Inscriptions are the main sources. Inscriptions and where the coins are found, and what are the literary sources of books. What are the books written then in order to know about these kingdoms. Okay, these are the main three things. First main three things. After that, from these three things we decode their rulers and their administration, their social conditions, their economic conditions, their religious conditions, their literature, and their art and architecture. These are the six things we'll came to know from the inscriptions, coins, and books. Okay, and then we'll discuss all those things in the next coming